Hello learners! In this class we are going to discuss planning of teaching. This video covers the topics like what is planning, what are the factors of planning in education, and what are the levels of planning by the teacher. Initially, let's discuss what is planning. Planning is essential in every activity, be it in education, be it in finance, be it in daily activity, be it in industries and etc. Planning is a prerequisite for all activities because without planning you cannot find out how you are proceeding and what is your destination. So also planning is very essential in the field of education. It is considered as the backbone of an institute. So every program that the institute takes up should be planned properly. This holds good for the teaching as well as learning process also. Good teaching does not happen just like that. It also requires adequate and extensive planning. Next, let's see what are the factors involved in planning of education. The teacher has to plan above the following factors in the education. The objectives to be achieved by teaching a particular method, the type of behavioral changes to be brought about in the students, the methods to be used for teaching, the teaching activities to be provided, the learning experiences that are to be provided, the material required for the teaching learning process, the experiments to be done, the tools to be employed for testing, and finally how best to use the evaluation results. Next, let's discuss what are the levels of planning in education. By keeping all these factors, teachers has to plan 3 levels while planning in education. What are those 3 levels, friends? First, plan for the whole year, that is known as year plan. Plan for the units, only units, that is called unit plan. Plan for each lesson, each and every lesson, that is called lesson plan. Okay learners, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm signing off. Bye.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.